Hey guys! Today I'm going to share some of my favorite lip scrub recipes that you can make at home. They contain all natural ingredients and they're very simple to make. Lip scrubs are the perfect solution for cracked, dry or chapped lips, especially if you wear lipstick and really struggle with them looking soft and smooth. I think you'll find these very helpful, so let's go ahead and get started. For the first recipe, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a tablespoon of raw honey, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. The cinnamon adds a little extra exfoliation, and if you're looking for a natural way to plump your lips, cinnamon is known for having that effect. Gently massage this into your lips for a couple of minutes to really get the blood flowing and make your lips appear fuller. Now, if you're a coffee lover, I have the perfect lip scrub recipe. And it's very simple. All you'll need is 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So the texture of the coffee grounds is what's going to exfoliate and buff away all that dead skin. And when your lips are very chapped and flaky, this feels so good. The caffeine in it also increases blood flow, so it'll help renew the cells, while the coconut oil keeps the lips nice and moisturized. And I personally don't drink coffee, but I have to say I do love the smell of it. It's so invigorating. This lemon lip scrub is a little bit more gentle than the coffee one, but it's still very effective. We'll need 3 tablespoons of sugar, half a tablespoon of olive oil, and a few drops of lemon juice. Lemon has natural alpha hydroxy acids that help remove dead skin cells, so on its own it exfoliates in a very gentle way. But if you have very dry and crusty lips, the sugar of course provides a deeper exfoliation. And olive oil will help to lock in the moisture and keep the lips nice and smooth. This is another lip scrub with lip plumping benefits, and it's also very refreshing. You'll need 2 tablespoons of sugar, and for these recipes, you can use brown or white sugar, it doesn't really matter. You'll also need half a tablespoon of coconut oil, and 5 drops of peppermint essential oil. The peppermint is what's going to give us that lip plumping effect, and is also going to make the lips feel minty and refreshing. So just mix everything together, and gently exfoliate for a couple of minutes. My favorite part about lip scrubs is that they leave my lips feeling so soft and smooth, and any lipstick glides on so easily. And of course it looks so much better too. The best part about homemade skincare is that you can pretty much find everything you need right in your kitchen. It's all natural, super affordable, and most importantly, it's effective. So I hope you find these recipes helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you would like to see more videos like this, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!